How do you check keyword CPC prices inside Amazon's console? I believe you might be looking for the specific cost per click for each keyword, so you know what to bid. The best answer here is that while Amazon gives you suggested bids between the lowest and the highest cost per click for a particular keyword, the cost per click for the actual keyword that you're going to bid on, best thing for you is start a campaign, see how much it costs you, especially if you want to run for specific placements. If you're just brand new and launching your product and you want to get all the eyeballs, top of search is going to be your go-to placement. For top of search, you are going to end up paying sometimes 2 to 3 times more than for other placements. So this is why I'm saying the best for you would be to just go and create a campaign, and maybe even if you have 5 keywords, add them within that campaign so you will know exactly how much you have to pay for each. That would be my go-to. 2-3 years ago, I would have told you that Amazon suggested bid is the go-to. Unfortunately, that's not really the case, and that's why we're not doing any more estimates when it comes down to how much should you spend on PPC ads to make this amount of sales and like those forecastings. If there's any proof that we got so far in the past 5 years dealing with Amazon and the cost of Amazon PPC and the cost of CPC itself, is that until we're running the campaign, we don't know.